If Snapchat has banned your device, I'm going to show you how to real quick fix that real quick. So let's say you've done some certain things or you made some mistakes and Snapchat decided to ban your particular device. The first thing you can do is try a new device. But if probably you've tried new devices and you see having the same problem, you can still use the same device. What you can easily do is go to your settings section. So here we are in settings. Then we're going to scroll down to apps, where we have the apps. Then you scroll or you just easily search for apps and you say Snapchat. I'm just going to wait for mine to load. So this is my Snapchat. So once you're here, you scroll down to the section that says storage. Then you go to cache and you clear your cache. Once you clear your cache, you go back to Snapchat, you should be fine. Now, if this is still a problem, you can go ahead and change your network from a certain Wi-Fi to a new Wi-Fi. You can easily go ahead, go to your data and use your data. If trying all this is still not working, then the next option you can do is to uninstall your Snapchat and reinstall it again, and you will fine. I hope this particular tutorial and tip helped you. Let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.